Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. Today I'll introduce items that are a must-buy at IKEA in 2025. Specifically, these are items that based on a poll on my Instagram stories. Many of you found worthwhile purchasing. I visit IKEA weekly, yet there were still recommended items I hadn't bought. So I went ahead and purchased them this time. Please stay tuned until the end. It's a common IKEA experience to be overwhelmed by the vast number of unique products they offer, making you wonder what to buy. But don't worry, this video will highlight the key items. The most frequent recommendations from you were cooking utensils, especially frying pans and pots. IKEA has recently transitioned from Teflon-coated to ceramic-coated products. Their products are popular due to their affordability and design quality. For example, the MANGOFISK pot, now also available in ceramic, has been particularly popular. I still use the older Teflon version, which is incredibly cute and has a design that you wouldn't mind leaving out. This pot can also replace a kettle, making it ideal for those living alone. Unfortunately, availability of this product is limited to certain countries. I really hope it becomes available in more countries too. Another recommendation is the IKEA 365 series. Just remember this series name and you will be fine. A great feature of this series is that the items are made of stainless steel and are dishwasher safe. It looks stylish too. I own 2 pans from the HEMKOMST series, which are great because their edges are raised, making them easy to use. Many of you also recommended the knives. I use the IKEA 365 knives, which are designed with an integrated handle and blade that makes them easy to clean and perfectly weighted for ease of use. They're so practical that even professionals in the food industry recommend them. Another item that comes highly recommended is the mini tongs, exclusive to IKEA. Initially, I also recommended the OFTAST series, unbelievably priced at under $1 including tax. They look like bone china but are made of reinforced glass, making them very durable and easy to clean. I love how thin they are, allowing for compact stacking. Besides bowls, they also offer various types of side plates. Another cornerstone of dinnerware at IKEA is the IKEA 365 series, known for its durability and used extensively even in IKEA restaurants. I personally love and own 4 of their small bowls. Whenever I ask for must-buy items, the name of this teapot always comes up. It is incredibly popular, stylish, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. What I like about it is that its lid doesn't fall off like those of regular kettles, making it easy to pour from. This mug also gained popularity for its versatility, being perfect for coffee or tea. The bamboo tray displayed now is also from IKEA and is praised for its durability. This time, persuaded by your recommendations, I finally purchased these glasses. I knew they were extremely popular but thought, who needs 6? However, curiosity got the better of me, and I bought them. They're like the bodega glasses, very trendy, and you get 6 for such a good price. They're stylish enough to serve even a mini salad in them, and since they're clear, they work well as dessert cups too. IKEA's restaurant uses them all the time. How do you use them? Please share in the comments. I've also received many comments about the coasters. They are made of cork with a slight rim, available in 2 sizes, 9 centimeters and 10 centimeters, so please check the size you need.
They work well as accessory trays too.
So I recommend buying several. Now moving on from kitchen items. I'll introduce textile, storage goods, and lighting.
The color palette for this season includes a beautiful blend of gray and blue. I've discussed the latest products in another video,
so please check that out. First, I want to talk about bed spreads. We all know it's best to make your bed in the morning, but who has the time?
Just throwing this bedspread on can instantly tidy up your bed. Especially the TRATTVIVA series, which is wrinkle resistant even after washing, and can also serve as a blanket in winter.
If you prefer all-season use, they have knit-like material too. We'll visit the IKEA bed section.
You can see not just beds, but also get ideas for bedding coordination.
The most popular bed series is Malm.
However, please check the sizes carefully, as there are differences between European, American, and Japanese standards, which might not always match.
I use IKEA duvet covers and Nitori fills, which work fine for me. Interestingly, not many people know this, but IKEA's curtains and blinds are highly recommended.
The HOPPVALS series, with its honeycomb shade, is excellent for insulation thanks to its honeycomb structure. The best part about IKEA blinds is that they don't have strings on the sides, allowing you to lift and lower them directly. I often get asked about their durability, and mine have lasted well into their third year. They come with attachments that make them easy to install on curtain rails, completely blocking the view but still letting light in, which I really appreciate.
I recommend IKEA curtains highly.
I use the HILJA series, which has a great cost-performance ratio and doesn't wrinkle even when machine washed. IKEA also sells hooks that can be attached to standard curtain rails, and they sell iron-on tape that allows you to adjust the length yourself. They also offer a service in-store where they adjust it for you.
Next, let's talk about storage solutions.
One of the first things I recommend is the variety of baskets. IKEA offers many options, like the FLÅDIS basket. Thanks to mass production, they're very affordable, and not to mention, quite cute.
Another well-known product from IKEA is SKUBB. Many of you have commented that you should definitely get a SKUBB.
They come in various types, but the square box type is particularly easy to use. Just zip it up and fold down the bottom board, and it's ready to use.
And they are remarkably lightweight,
which makes them especially easy to use in high closet spaces and other hard-to-reach storage areas. When not needed, it can be folded down into a very compact size. The small size SKUBB, which I whimsically call the S size, comes with a lid that allows for vertical storage, making it incredibly space efficient. It's great for storing things like Christmas trees or children's artworks.
The RISATORP basket is also very popular and has become quite affordable in Japan. Just a rough storage in these makes your space look stylish. They can hold up to 4 rolls of toilet paper, depending on the type.
And the mesh design not only makes them cute, but also functional, as you can see how many are left, and they are easy to access even on high shelves. Many companies are now selling similar products, but I think Japan has made these prices competitive. One of the features of IKEA is the wide variety of colors available. They change occasionally, but there are always stylish colors like a cute shade of gray
or beige tone.
IKEA's shelving units are also very affordable and high quality, a result of mass production. I've detailed these in a previous video, so be sure to check that out.
One of the most commented items recently is RÅSKOG, which have been redesigned recently to include stoppers on the casters. The coloring is also very cute.
And there are slight changes in the basket sizes, so if you want to match them with older models, please be careful. These carts are recommended to be purchased with a tabletop, allowing them to be used like side tables.
The one displayed now is the mini size of RÅSKOG cart,
which is very handy when you need just a bit more space. Many of you have mentioned that it's very convenient for storing miscellaneous items in living rooms or dining rooms. It's also great for storing medications, tissues, and other daily necessities. The area under the tabletop can be a bit hard to access, so I store infrequently used items there.
I currently use it next to my dining table. I place my smart speaker, and I also have a power strip stored in a box called cookies, which I keep on the cart. Another feature of the RÅSKOG cart is that it's mini size, so it can easily fit under a dining table. Next, let's talk about monitor stands, which I often showcase, but many others also favor.
Many use these stands for kitchen storage, which is a great idea due to their sleek, linear design. Storing small items in them can make you feel happy, like having a few snacks easily accessible. I store trays in the space below and place a kettle on top, along with some oranges.
I also highly recommended this tablet stand. It's a tablet stand, but I can even place my MacBook Air on it.
It's adjustable in height and angle, made of white steel and cork, which is incredibly stylish and unbelievably priced. The ability to adjust the angle is genuinely convenient.
Next, we move on lighting, which is the third most recommended category.
IKEA offers a variety of affordable and attractive lighting options.
Many of you have commented on how much you like their light.
One item in particular, the portable light, is battery operated, allowing you to use it anywhere you like,
which is very convenient.
I recommend pairing it with IKEA's rechargeable batteries, which are made in Japan. There is a wide range of plug-in table lamps available as well. I often get questions about the brightness. Since the bulbs are sold separately, you can choose whatever brightness suits your needs. Especially recommended is the TRATTVIVA series of smart bulbs, which allow you to adjust the brightness to your preference, making it extremely versatile for different settings.
IKEA's smart bulbs are also more affordable compared to other brands.
And I find their quality to be consistently reliable. The bulbs themselves are stylish and come in various high design forms, so you can enjoy mixing and matching with different cord sets and lampshades.
Next up, something you might find surprising is this piece. It looks like a sofa, right? Actually, it's sleeper sofa. IKEA has a wide range of sleeper sofas,
which are stylish and don't necessarily look like your typical sleeper sofa.
Does that come across?
They look just like regular sofas, but are actually sleeper sofas. The variety is truly vast. Each one is fully functional, with many featuring storage inside, and they are all surprisingly affordable. If you ever have friends over for a stay, consider a sleeper sofa from IKEA. You might find it perfect. The most popular model currently is the Frigheten, which comes in L-shaped and straight versions. What surprised me was that there's a hidden feature inside this long cushion. Inside, there's actually a mattress pad stored. Isn't that an amazing function?
I'd really appreciate it if you could share in the comments.
If there are other items that you found worthwhile after purchasing.
Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you soon in the next video.